Hey Creative Cubs! Today we are drawing the cutest Christmas snowman ever. So grab your markers and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the eyes. So let's start with our snowman's adorable eyes. Two big happy circles. Make them shine like Christmas lights. Blink, blink, he's already looking at us. Now let us give him his famous carrot nose. Long, pointy, and very orange. The kind of carrot that Bugs Bunny would definitely try to steal. Now adding a little detail to the carrot so that it looks realistic. Time for his cute dotty stone smile. Let's add tiny little pebble dots to make him look super cheerful, like he just heard Santa is on the way. Now we draw a big U shape around his face. Not too tiny, not too huge. Just the perfect snowman face that says, "Hi friends, I'm here to spread Christmas joy." Let's put a Santa hat on his head. The fluffy, cozy, jolly kind that makes everyone say, "Ho, ho, ho." Don't forget the pom-pom on the top, the snowman's favorite bouncing ball. Time to wrap him up. Draw a snuggly scarf around his neck with stripes, patterns, anything festive. Make it red and green so he looks ready for Christmas photos. Now we are adding some curved stripes so that our scarf has a 3D look. Drawing a freehand line at the bottom. This is the snow for a snowman to stand on. Now let's make a big round body, like a giant snowy marshmallow. This is where all the Christmas cuddles go. Let's give him 3 big buttons down his belly. Dot, dot, dot. Now drawing the hanging part of the scarf. Make it a little curved to look realistic. Adding stripes to it and some threads at the bottom. And finally, let's give our snowman 2 sticky arms. Make them wiggly and twiggy, like he's waving and saying, "Yay, it's winter time." Perfect. Now he looks completely ready for a snowy adventure. Now it's time to bring him to life with colors. Let's make his hat bright red, his scarf super festive, his nose extra orange, and add a tiny bit of blue to make him look chilly and cute. And remember, there is no wrong way to color. Christmas magic makes everything look perfect. Great job, little artists. Your snowman looks amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art for more fun, creative, and Christmassy drawings. See you in the next video. Bye bye and Merry Christmas.